Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Tin Plate Dave. Today we have another sight. So, what we have is this beautiful Gunmetal Grey pre-war 392E. And why is it connected to a 400E Blue Comet tender? I wonder. It's because it's connected to another 400E pre-war tender, black. And also to a MTH modern standard gauge 392E, which is my dad's. And I've done a bit of work on his to get it to working perfection. And I've done a ton of work to get this to working perfection. And the track is clean. The locomotives have been lubricated. There is a slight angle going this way. So that's going to have a little bit of an advantage for the MTH. But the reason why I did it this way is because the first test is going to be, I think, pushing in, and then the other test will be like a tug of war pulling out. And we'll see what locomotive is the strongest. And the reason why I used 400E tenders is because this is the normal 392 gunmetal 12-wheel tender. My dad's didn't have a tender, so in order to make it fair, they're both using the same exact weight, size, 400E tender. You can't use a regular like 390 or 384 tender because the connecting rod is shorter, and when it goes around corners it will hit. Anyway, let's see what happens here. I'm just using my normal ZW, nothing fancy. Whoa, the MTH is pulling ahead. That's enough of that. Let's try the other way. Okay, my ZW is getting extremely hot. I think going that way, it's a tie. And that goes to show, and I think the MTH won the tug of war, but that might have been because of the angle of the table. I think they're both, I'm going to give it a tie because they're both really amazing engines. I mean, this is beautiful. It's just perfection. It's just like the Lionel. Motors are very, very similar except for a few subtle differences. And then my pre-war, she's just one of my babies. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and I'm not sure why I did it, but now we know that modern standard gauge by MTH can compete with Lionel Prewar. Good night.